Hi guys, welcome to my first stock chat vlog. I might make a separate channel for this, but for now, since it moves quickly and I don't feel like I have the time to set up a whole other channel and commit to uploading daily on that, I'll do occasional stock vlogs on this channel for now. But I'll let you guys know, let me know if you want it on a different channel. And if you only want to watch vlogs, you don't care about this stuff, I'll just make the thumbnail very obvious so you can skip these ones. But today we're going to talk about why I am selling some of my travel stocks. So I've been thinking about this for the past couple of weeks, just looking at everything. So first let's take a look at first let me just go over my overall portfolio, just so that you're not confused, and this is not stock advice. I view this all as kind of an experiment because I am newer to investing in general, managing it on my own. I've been doing it for about a year. I've been investing overall for about 5 years, mostly with a financial advisor, and then the past year I've gotten more into just doing it on my own, and my little Robinhood portfolio thing has done pretty well. I'm up 77% today, although yesterday it was like 60 something, so it bounces around a lot, but overall mine has done pretty well. I think I do a pretty good job at researching before I buy things. I have a reason why I buy each stock. Overall, I try and invest in companies I believe in and use in macro trends that I see happening, like electric vehicles, for example, I think are the future, so I buy electric vehicle companies, lithium because that's what the batteries need, etc. Different trends like that I see happening, I like to buy into that if I really believe that's the future. So you're not really gonna catch me buying like oil stocks, most likely. Like that would be a bit shocking. But I do want to be transparent in that I still do have a financial advisor, and I don't want to move the money out of that account just yet. I think I will at some point, but this little Robinhood portfolio is a very, very small slice of my overall investment. Obviously, I'm investing in real estate, and yeah, so this is just a tiny slice of the pie, and I'm a little more risky with it because I have everything pretty diversified. So this is my for fun investing. Keep that in mind. Sometimes what I'm doing is a little more risky, and just do your own research, all of that. So yeah. So this video is going to have minimal editing just to get it up quickly, so it's not, stock videos move quick. This is outdated in like 2 days. So today I'm up 3% just today, and this week 9.4%, which is pretty crazy because at the beginning of this week that was not the case at all. A lot of that is because I bought the dip. I bought into ARK and NEO. I put like $400 or $500 into that, so that definitely boosted things. Because I don't have a ton of money in here, $500 is going to make, a difference. And they've gone up. I mean, my Piedmont, I think is how you say it, lithium stock is now up 54%, but it was like, at one point I think it was down. This is a stock that I will plan on holding for a while because all electric cars need lithium for the batteries, but that one has gone up a lot. Okay, so the travel stocks. If you guys have been watching my vlogs for a while, you probably saw a year ago about exactly, I bought Delta, Marriott, and I believe Hyatt. I didn't buy a lot. I bought like 1 or 2 shares of each because they had plummeted because of COVID. So it has been exactly a year and 1 day. So at this point, I can sell it without getting hit by that short-term capital gains tax, because that would really take a lot of it. That's why I haven't really wanted to sell it before then. And the reason that I am thinking of selling it is because some of these are up to pre-pandemic levels when there's still a pandemic going on. So it doesn't really make sense. Like the revenue, Marriott is the one that I'm the most like, I want to sell this and put it elsewhere, because, if we look at it, where it's at right now, it's actually like maybe even higher. It's at just about the same as before COVID hit at all back in January of 2020, maybe even a little higher. And I just don't know how it could go any higher than that. I just don't think it's likely it's gonna do that again. I don't think it's gonna go up like 70%. It's still recovering from a pandemic. Although I will say, you never know. The stock market doesn't really do things that make sense sometimes. Even just the news of a new vaccine, I feel like could make this go up in a way that doesn't really make sense. And overall, just looking at their financials, like they're not, if we look at Marriott's revenue though for December 2020, like Q4, the last quarter of last year, they were down 63% in revenue. Like pretty much everything was down. They did keep cash on hand, probably because they just have to. My camera battery died, but I'm back. So basically, a lot of the hotel stocks I bought when they were down a ton last March have recovered fully or even a little more. The airlines are still like a little bit down, like 20% it looks like. So yeah, we can see with Marriott, it was at 141 on January 24th, so before the pandemic, and now it's at 148. It's literally higher than before the pandemic. How? It's probably like optimism of the stimulus check and the vaccine and everything, but I mean, however, I do like Marriott hotels. I like Starwood hotels, so I do want to hold some of this long term, but I want to sell the ones that I bought a year ago because I think that there could be more growth elsewhere, honestly. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me just double check. March 10th. Yeah, so March 10th, I bought 1 share of it. I'm gonna go ahead and sell 1 share of Marriott. So I will still have a little bit. Yeah, once that sells, I'll have a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with Hyatt. I bought 1 share of it back at $66. Yeah, so I'm gonna sell that 1 share. So now I'm not totally sure what I'm gonna do with those. So once those go through, I'll have like $100 or $200. I'm probably just gonna have it in cash on this Robinhood account. I mean, I might buy a little more Tesla because when you look at the 3 months, you know, or the past month, it's still down 20% over the past month. So that might be a good one, but I'm gonna wait until early tomorrow morning. I'll probably just wake up when the market opens and see what's going on then and decide. But that's what I'm thinking of, either that or Neo or one of those. That's what I'm thinking. So that's why I sold my travel stocks. To sum it up, they were at pre-pandemic levels, and it just, to me, I feel like they're not gonna go up a whole lot past that in the next year. I feel like there's more growth opportunity in Neo or Tesla or ARK. But this is just me doing my risky for fun stocks. As I've said a bunch of times, this is not investment advice. That's just what I'm doing. And you can see here, I still do have some shares of Marriott, Hyatt. Yeah, Marriott and Hyatt are the only ones that I just sold. So that's what I decided to do. That's my first stock video. I'm gonna try and get this up really quickly so that it's current. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys are doing. Maybe we can start like a Discord chat so we have like a stock chat for the people that are interested in this stuff. And I hope you enjoyed my first little stock chat vlog. Might just turn this into a different channel, but for now I'll incrementally do them on this channel from time to time. So that's it for today. And yeah, not investment advice, so you know, do your own research. Okay, bye.